first we are going to check about what is really going to happen, and is really there and going to happen by today and this week. So this week we're going to have new opportunities on most of the major pairs because due to Israel and Iran war and also the US also involved in the war. So US Iran Israel war is going to impact the market harder than ever. So we can see some kind of big movements and volatile, unexpected volatile movement on this week. So always trade with proper risk management. And if you're taking high risk or high lots, always make sure take only the risk where you afford to lose. So don't take much more risk at the moment if you're trading properly. And Euro USD is just moving on between it just reached the higher low. I believe Euro USD reached the higher low. So Euro USD has a higher low. So Euro USD reached the high low. And Pound USD. Pound USD hits the high low. I think Australian US dollar. Australian US dollar is near to the low level, so I think we can expect Australian USD to either move up or down. But I'm not sure about that because the dollar have chances to get strong because of the successful missiles. So we need to be very careful dealing with these pairs anyway. And New Zealand USD is nothing. It's just moving between. It's just consolidating. New Zealand USD is also consolidating. And USD it just pumped up towards the high again. Wow, we are seeing the 150 level. Once again, it looks like USD Japanese yen still have a lot of chances to move up. It could go up continuously. Feel. But this one, yes, this one is really making me struck out. So 3,800. Let's see USD yen. So we are expecting USD yen to move up anyway. From here, I have expected from here. I think from here I just expected. Just went up very well. So it looks like USD yen broke the symmetrical triangle. Yes, USD yen broke the symmetrical triangle. So if you want to buy USD yen, yeah, you can buy it. Just by seeing it. The stop loss need to be very big, not small. USD Canadian dollar. It's also moving up and down. So I don't think that the USD Canadian dollar still have a chance to move on here or there. Let's see the parallel channel. So if I look at the parallel channel, seems to be USD. Let's see. Let's wait and see. USD Canadian still have chances to move up a little bit. And pound JPY, pound yen is also trying to move up continuously. It's also trying to reach us towards the high. So pound yen is also having chances to move up. Hmm. We can see pound down. Pound out, it just fly away. Just fly away. So today we went up to 1,500 points in pound Canadian. Pound Canadian, I think still it is in a channel, so it is still in a descending channel. So I think pound Canadian still have a lot of chance to move down. It have a lot of chances to fall. Euro Canadian, is something different and it's trying to move up. Euro JPY, Euro pound is also doing the same. Yep, Euro pound is also doing the same thing. Even then, I think Euro pound also have chances to move up continuously. Not even down. It's a lot of chances to move up, only up. Euro New Zealand, same. Euro New Zealand is also pumping up. So nice. So nice to see Euro New Zealand just pumped up. Looks like Euro is getting strong anyway. Pound New Zealand, it just fly away. Pound New Zealand just fly away. This is a resistance. So what happens is like just it's a resistance. So we cannot do anything. Just is a resistance. That's it. Pound out. Pound out is at the high. The resistance near to the resistance pound out. Australia Canadian is trying to move down. Australia Canadian is also having a lot of chances to fall. I believe it has a lot of chances to fall. Australia Canadian. Australia Canadian and USDN. USD Canadian. Euro USG, it's trying to move up and down. So I don't think so. That Euro USG. And gold, I think it's trying to move up, down, just shaking up. Gold just trying to move up and down. Nothing else on gold, nothing else on gold. And Euro Swiss franc has come to the point. Euro Swiss franc, it's just consolidating. So, pound Swiss franc and Australian Swiss franc Australian Swiss franc, it was just consolidating between up and down, so I don't think so that Australian Swiss franc chances to fall or up. It will consolidate. And the Canadian Swiss franc also the same, nothing special. It also going to consolidate. But I don't think that this time Canadian Swiss franc will consolidate. This time I believe Canadian Swiss franc has a lot of chance to fall. And Australian, wow, 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 Australia, New Zealand. Oh, Australia trying to move up. Oh yeah, I told you it's just consolidating. Hmm. So this is the reason I don't touch the Australian for now. And USD Canadian, USD Canadian reaches this level. I think USD Canadian next it will fall, or else it will move up continuously. We need to wait and see. Australian JPY, I'm really not sure about that anyway, because it was just consolidating at the resistance level. Soon it will break the high and then it can move up, or else it can move, it can make a fake breaker at the top and then it will move down. So there are two options. But however, if I look at the trend, it looks like Australian have chances to move up instead of down. So no idea regarding that Australian. No, my God, Swiss franc JPY, it's the historical high. Wow, 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 historical high was it? Goodbye, Swiss franc JPY. Canadian JPY is also the same. I think Canadian JPY breaks the high. I think it's better to buy Canadian JPY, I believe. I think compared to all the pairs, Canadian JPY seems to be good and better to buy. Right, So Euro Australian dollar, uh, looks like Euro Australian dollar still has a lot of chances to move on. I think it will move up. Anyway, it will move up. 2% correction is okay, but still, I believe. Mhm. 61.8. So pound out seems to be high. Seems to be moving up and moving towards the high. I think Bitcoin also okay, was recognizing at the support. So still I believe JPY has a chance to move up. So if it has a chance to move up, then we need to wait and take a trade. Pound still have a lot of chances to move up. Pound USD at the high. And Australian JPY, I think JPY have a lot of chances to fall. But at the same time, simultaneously, I think Australian Yen has chances to move up. What's the high? This is most probably possible. Um, yes, it's possible. Australian JPY and silver, just trying. If you ask me, I could say that the USD JPY is also good to buy. Yeah, good to buy. I'm not sure about Swiss franc JPY, but it's also near to the high, so I don't think that. Euro bond seems to be very good, and also it's trying to break the high, so I believe Euro pound will move up continuously. No doubt on it. I'm sure and I surely believe that the Euro pound have a lot of chances to move up. Yep. Yes, Euro pound has a lot of chances to move up. And what else you want to say? There's that USD. So I feel all the pairs it's just trying to move up, either up or down. I think it's good to go for Australian or Euro pound, Euro Swiss franc or Euro AUD. Looks like all the pairs are in very good condition. So far, I think all the pairs, including all the pairs, gold, silver.